Sony DSX-B700 Media Receiver with Bluetooth technology. Honest review. I ditched CarPlay for this.
Man, remember sitting in your parked car like a loser, restarting Bluetooth for the third time while everyone else is already rolling? Music finally plays but sounds like wet cardboard, calls drop, and you just accept it. I was there for years, completely stuck. Type same if your factory unit still ruins your mood. Come on, what's your biggest car stereo embarrassment? That gut punch when the beat cuts out right as it's getting good? Or you hear, "Can you hear me now?" for the 10th time? It's exhausting. You're literally paying for stress. But imagine never touching your phone again and still having perfect sound and 0 dropped calls. Stay with me for 30 more seconds. I swear this actually works. Here's the accidental hero. The Sony DSX-B700 Media Receiver with Bluetooth technology. I found it while hunting for something that just works, not another glitchy touchscreen. This thing lets you pair 2 phones at once, one for Spotify and navigation, the second stays ready for calls. No switching, no drama. Siri Eyes free means you bark orders and she actually listens without you looking down. The 10-band Equalizer plus extra bass turned my stock speakers into something I brag about. Deep, punchy, 0 mud. The lights pulse with the beat or match your dash. Night drives suddenly feel like a vibe. High-voltage pre-outs mean when you eventually add an amplifier, it's plug-and-play clean. Picture my buddy Mike, a sales guy. 2 a.m., driving home from a nightmare deadline, boss screaming on speaker, navigation on his personal phone. His old head unit forced him to pick one. Almost missed the exit, almost lost the client. Swapped in the Sony DSX-B700 Media Receiver with Bluetooth technology the next weekend. 10 minutes later, both phones connected, everything just worked. Stress melted, he actually enjoyed the ride home. That's when it clicks. The crazy part? Once the Sony DSX-B700 Media Receiver with Bluetooth technology is in, you stop noticing it because nothing goes wrong. No lag, no crashes, no updating mid-drive like some touchscreen units. Pro installers keep saying the same thing. Sony put the money into pre-outs and processing instead of a distracting screen, and it shows. One shop owner told me straight up, "I sell $800 units that sound worse than this thing with a basic amp." Real user Chris, the truck guy, posted last month, "6 months in my work rig, 0 issues, sounds better than my buddy's Pioneer with CarPlay. Fight me." My own car? First drive after install, I actually laughed out loud on the highway because the bass hit harder than units twice the price. The #1 pushback I hear is always, "But no CarPlay or Android Auto?" Yeah, and that's exactly why it's better. Nothing to crash, nothing to glitch, no subscription, just rock-solid sound and safety. That's why thousands of us are quietly obsessed right now and won't stop talking about it in the forums. If you're still scrolling past this unit thinking you need a screen, you're missing the plot. Drop a like if you're starting to get it. Bottom line, the deepest win is every drive stops feeling like a compromise and starts feeling like your space again. Music that actually moves you, calls that never drop, 0 phone touching, total control. Join the thousands of us who finally ditched the frustration for good. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and right here again. Just click, see if it vibes with you. No pressure, no hype. If it's for you, life gets better tomorrow. If not, no big deal. Either way, see you in the comments with better tunes.